The almond flower refers to the blossom of the almond tree, Prunus dulcis, which is a deciduous tree native to the Middle East, North Africa, and the Indian subcontinent. Here are some key characteristics and facts about almond flowers. 1. Appearance. Almond flowers are delicate, five-petaled blossoms that range in color from pale pink to white. They have a distinctive, slightly sweet fragrance. 2. Blooming season. Almond trees typically bloom in early spring, often before the leaves emerge. The exact timing can vary depending on climate and location. 3. Cultural significance. Almond blossoms have cultural and symbolic significance in various cultures. In some traditions, they represent hope, rebirth, and new beginnings. They are also associated with purity and beauty. 4. Symbolism. In some cultures, the almond blossom is seen as a symbol of resurrection, renewal, and the promise of life. It is often used in weddings and other ceremonies to represent new beginnings and prosperity. 5. Fruit production. After pollination, the almond blossom develops into a fruit containing a single almond seed. This seed is the edible almond nut that is widely consumed around the world. 6. Pesticide use. Almond trees are heavily dependent on insect pollination, and the almond industry is one of the largest users of managed honeybee colonies for this purpose. This has led to discussions about the environmental impact of pesticide use in almond farming. 7. Culinary use. In addition to producing almonds, almond trees are also used in culinary applications. Almond oil and almond extract are derived from the nuts, and almond flour is used as a gluten-free alternative to wheat flour. 8. Ornamental use. Almond trees are valued not only for their nuts but also for their ornamental beauty. They are sometimes planted for their attractive blossoms in orchards and gardens. 9. Drought tolerance. Almond trees are well adapted to arid and semi-arid climates, making them an important crop in regions with limited water resources. 10. Cultivation. Almond trees require well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. They are grown in various parts of the world, including California, Spain, Italy, and Australia. 11. Disease and pest management. Like many crops, almond trees can be susceptible to various diseases and pests. Integrated pest management, IPM practices are used to minimize the impact of these threats. 12. Nutrition. Almonds are a nutrient-dense food, rich in healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are often included in a balanced diet and can be consumed raw, roasted, or processed into various products. Almond blossoms not only hold cultural significance but are also essential for the production of one of the world's most popular and nutritious nuts. Their beauty and importance in agriculture make them a valuable and appreciated part of many landscapes.